I don't know why they're not biting.
After all these years, hasn't it occurred to you there might not be any fish in this lake?
Then why do they sell bait?
You don't need fish to sell bait.
Maybe it's this worm I've been using.
Harry and his wife are back at the lake again this year. They thought of going to New York, but they'd never taken a plane before, and it all seemed so complicated. Reservations, confirmations, all the things you have to do at the airport. You know the feeling. You're so sure you'll get something wrong that you'd just as soon forget the whole thing. So in a few minutes, this airplane will leave for New York without them. We see people like Harry every day at American Airlines, and we know just how they feel, and they do get things wrong. Why shouldn't they, and what difference does it make? That's what we're there for, and we have people to help you out every step of the way. In fact, the less you know, the more we can do for you. Ask any travel agent.
Thought I had something there. Must have been a rock.
Harry,
Hmm?
was it Evangeline or Hiawatha who went crazy beside the still waters?
Are you putting off that big trip to New York because flying seems too complicated? On American Airlines, there isn't a thing you have to know or learn. Just phone for a reservation and come out to the airport. We'll take it from there. Harry, can you hear us out there?